To get started with AWS Amplify storage, it is essential to understand the basics of AWS Amplify and its storage capabilities. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. Amplify Storage provides a scalable and secure way to store and serve files, such as images, videos, and documents. First, you need to set up an AWS Amplify project and install the Amplify CLI. Once you have set up your project, you can configure Amplify Storage by running the command amplify add storage. This will prompt you to choose the storage option you want to use, such as S3 or Amazon Elastic Block Store. After configuring storage, you can upload files to your storage bucket using the Amplify API. You can use the API to upload files from your mobile or web application, and Amplify will handle the upload process for you. To upload a file, you need to create a file object and pass it to the upload method. One of the key concepts in Amplify storage is access control. Amplify provides a set of predefined access levels, such as public, private, and protected, that you can use to control access to your files. You can also create custom access levels based on your specific use case. Another important concept is file metadata. Amplify allows you to store metadata with your files, such as the file name, description, and tags. You can use metadata to organize and search your files, and to provide additional context about the files. To optimize your Amplify storage, you can use caching and content delivery networks. Caching allows you to store frequently accessed files in memory, which can improve performance and reduce latency. Content delivery networks allow you to distribute your files across multiple locations, which can improve performance and availability. Best practices for using Amplify storage include monitoring your storage usage and optimizing your storage configuration. You can use AWS CloudWatch to monitor your storage usage and optimize your storage configuration based on your usage patterns. You should also use access control and file metadata to secure and organize your files. In summary, Amplify storage provides a scalable and secure way to store and serve files. By understanding the basics of Amplify storage, configuring storage, uploading files, and optimizing storage, you can build scalable and secure applications that meet your specific use case.